Hey everybody, John Grimsmo here. I'm here in the basement of our beautiful 100-year-old house. So I've got a special project that I've been working on and I want to share with you guys. We've got two employees, Angelo and Skye, who have been with the company now for 5 whole years. And I wanted to do something special for them. I'm typically terrible at gift giving and coming up with ideas. It's just, I feel bad that I'm so dumb at it. However, I was asking around, and my good friend Brad Southard suggested something that ended up panning out very beautifully. So I want to show you guys.
Whoa! Okay.
Oh wow.
That's exciting.
Well, that's badass.
Grab this end
This beautiful creature is a Gerstner International Toolbox. If you're familiar with the Kennedy brand, it's like that but wood. So this is a This is a toolbox for craftsmen, for machinists, for woodworkers, that kind of thing. It is quite beautifully made. Gerstner is well known around the world for their super high quality, very expensive toolboxes. This is the international version, which is made by other shops, not by the original Gerstner family, but at a much more affordable price range. So it's stunning. It's very beautiful. So this panel comes down, slides under, lid comes up. It's got a little hello mirror right there. And this is the beautiful green felt lined. All your little drawers for all your little bits and bobs. I know this guy's going to store his knife collection in it most likely, and we'll see what else they end up doing. Good thing for calipers. These are my cheap knockoff home calipers, but they work great. And yeah, I just wanted to give the guys a really nice memento of the 5 years of wonderful service they put in with the company, and something to keep it going with. I reached out with a dude on Instagram, Tom, at King Tuttley. He makes reproduction plaques for all kinds of stuff. Let's throw a bunch of pictures in here because his work is absolutely incredible. He used to etch them by hand. Now he has a laser engraver, so he engraves these plaques, powder coats them, paint fills them, sands off the tops. They look absolutely stunning. So I gave him the text that I wanted, and he put it together into a drawing, a rendering that we can show now, and then engraved it. And I haven't even seen a finished product yet. Like, they're coming in the mail probably today, maybe tomorrow. Very excited to see what it is. All I've seen is the mock-up sketch, like this one, that totally thumbs up on that. So I will be mounting that to the front of the toolbox. I got one for Angelo, one for Skye. Thank you for 5 years of service. And yeah, they have no idea. Only Eric and I know about this, and I'm very excited about sharing that. I mean, we've grown the company now. We have 12, as of today, actually, 13 employees. New guys started today. And these are my OGs. These are my guys that have been with us from, the beginning process of hiring people. It's funny, I had to totally skirt the system so that Angelo and Skye don't catch wind of this. So I ordered them, had them shipped to my house. That's why we're here. I'm gonna fix the tags here and then bring them into work and probably set up some, not too serious, but we have team meetings every Monday and Friday. So I'll probably release them in the team meeting. Maybe roll them out on a cart, towel goes over top. Nobody will know what's going on. It'll be really nice. So we'll try to film that if we can. That'll be cool. But yeah, this will be really nice for them. One thing I noticed right away, so I have a Kennedy toolbox, which I actually bought from John Saunders, who got it from his grandfather, who probably bought it originally. So that my Kennedy, which is a metal toolbox, has some history, which is really cool. And these kind of things, the Kennedys and the Gerstners and stuff, they live forever. They pass on to generations. So that's sweet. That's super cool. One thing I did notice that I'm 90% sure my Kennedy doesn't do is these drawers, because they're made of wood, they just come right out. And that is a minor concern. Like if you have tools or expensives in there, you are likely to overextend the drawer and drop your stuff at some point. So, not in love with that, but it's just a fact of the beast. Other than that, super happy. Plaque's probably going to go here. It's about the same size as this logo, so I'll probably put it up on this drawer above, possibly one higher. We'll see. Once they come in, I'll see how they fit. Word looks good. Well, would you look at that? These things turned out absolutely stunning. So Tom from @King Tuttley on Instagram did so good. Oh, I'm just thrilled. So they're made of brass. They've got a really nice weight to them. Backside's nothing special. He chamfered the sides to kind of a zero edge on the bottom, which kind of gives them a nice trapezoid look. And everything's shiny and polished, and he flat sanded them. So he makes them on a laser engraver, fiber laser, which I've been wanting to buy for a very long time. And then he powder coats them, and then he sands the top flat. And he did a pretty good job, pretty high grit polish. Got it pretty flat as well. So you get this nice reflection. You see all the lines of all the background, all the trees and everything I'm reflecting back on. Oh, it just looks so good. And with the laser, he can get such fine little detail on the knives. I mean, these are not big. They're 1 inch tall. And we went with red powder coat. They're just great. Great job, Tom. Crushed it. So these guys, both of them, were roughly about $150 for the pair, which is not cheap, not expensive. I'm very happy with that price. I think he's very fair for charging that price, and super happy, super thrilled. Some of the work he does is just insane, so very impressed. Oh, I can't wait to give these to the guys. They're going to be so good. All right, now that I've had these tags for a couple days, had some time to think about where to place these things. The original plan was to put it on a drawer above the logo, so I could put it 1 drawer up or 2 drawers up. I don't love it though, because it kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of weird with the double logo, and it doesn't fit super nicely on the drawer because it's about the size of that upper step, which means if I center it on the upper step, it'll look high on the drawer. If I center it down, it'll go on this groove. I don't like that. So then I consulted with my wife, who's way smarter than me, and she suggested right here, because then you can see it even if the cover is closed. You can see it when it's open. You can see it all the time. Thought about up there, don't like that. Thought about down here. It would look really good, except once you start stacking boxes and stuff in here, that's not going to work. So could go here, but it's going to be covered and smacked by that latch. This is the place. So I'm going to center it up. I'm going to measure it so that I'm perfectly like level and up and down. And I'm going to screw it in and present it in about an hour. All right, I think it stopped raining. We're outside for our team meeting. Maybe take a little zoom around.
Everybody smile and wave.
Hey. Everybody's nervous because I don't know what I'm going to say. Anyway, as of about 2 months ago, Angelo passed his 5-year anniversary of being at the shop, and Skye's is this Sunday.
Oh boy!
If I'm mistaken. So I have a little surprise lined up for them. Steven, you want to go grab it? I mean, 5 years puts you guys at the longest guys here after Eric and I, and we appreciate everything you guys have done. You've made. I mean, the company was nothing, like tiny when you guys joined on, and you've helped it grow to where we are today. So my lovely assistant brought some Pokemon for us.
Ooh. Oh, so dicey.
Oh, sheet. All right, I think we're good with the rain. Ready for the big reveal?
Okay.
Whoa! Okay.
Ooh. Oh wow.
That's exciting.
Well, that's badass.
Grab this end.
Damn.
That's sick.
We can put them on the bench.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah. Oh wow.
What?
That was amazing, dude.
It's treated wood. It'll be fun.
Badass.
Yes.
That's
okay. I didn't almost drop it. The handle just moved.
Thank you. Absolutely, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
This is what everybody wants and nobody really gets.
Thank you.
You know?
Dude, that is.
So I have these tags custom made. They're laser engraved with a fiber laser, by the way. And then powder coated red and then sanded flat on the top. They're made from brass. A guy on Instagram called King Tuttley who does
yeah, I heard
his
that
job
guy.
is making restoration plates for
Oh, that's cool.
old equipment and farm equipment and all this crazy stuff. And he absolutely killed it on those labels.
It's like 2 nights from the tools.
That's watchmaking chest.
It is like a big show, right?
Absolutely.
Amazing.
So this is heirloom quality. Like you guys will have this forever, or if not, it'll end up in somebody's hands, and then they'll know that.
Damn right.
Right?
It's awesome. I love it. 5 years of excellence.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
I feel
awesome.
like I will
That's so
start the
cool.
round of applause because it's well deserved.
Sure.
I think they liked it.